So now here you are at the screen. The app is actually called Phonto. Let me open it. So now let's press on the camera and let's press on the photo images. I mean photo album. So let's press sorry, not image, I'll show you the image later. So like I get this for example, okay? Just this, and now you just have to tap on the screen, like just tap it, and then it will show the add text icon, and press on it, and then here you are, and then just write hello guys. And now let's go to style. If you just want to show you all of this stuff, I will tell you later. So let's first press on style, then let's press on the style on the top, and now you see the shadow thing. I'm here right now. So now let's make this alpha, and the blur go up. Take it to 100%. And now you have a really good looking text, but the font is the problem. So normally you just get a normal font. You just have a normal font, but from the fonts you have to use this font. You can take screenshot. You can take screenshot of the name, so you will not forget it. So it will look good. It will look good. And these are the fonts I downloaded myself, and I'll make a video on how to download fonts too. The next video will be that. So now let's press on this. Tap on the text. Let's press on the size. And let's make it a lot bigger, and then font I already showed you. Let's show you the styles. Stroke. I already know stroke does. I don't know stroke. Now the background is like, for example, let's get the green. Red. Sorry. We're just gonna give it a background for the text. So let's take it off. 1 second. I have to take it off. You have to, and then done. Spacing does this, like that's a sample down there showing. You will like put the line up, down, and then I'm gonna make it actually like normal, how it should be. If I just leave it, then it's gonna become back to where it was. So now I'm gonna show you the underline. There's nothing underline but here, like these and these. They already know what they do. None. Blend, like you see, like this looks actually really cool. If you want, you can use it. And there's like these ones darker, and this looks 3D for sure. And the multiply different. I'm just gonna stay with normal for now. And the move basically does just press on the move, and it does just like you see that the A button, tap on it, is gonna make it in the middle. See in this thing, it's on, make it on the like, and the layout is like, if you're ready to place it like here, but and you can use the buttons to know what you want, but I'm gonna do it myself. And these stuff has the present, date stuff, and all of that. It's the symbol, like you can put these, see all of them. So that's what they are. I'll delete them for now. I'm gonna change it here, so that's not better. But basically these does like mirror where you want to put it. So I'm gonna keep it to left. And 1 second. And the setting button does like add item, like these. See, or these, the like one, the like symbols, and these are really cool. I'm gonna actually place one of them to just show you. I'm gonna keep it. I actually don't like this one. 1 second. Let me add the new one. Let me add another one. Let's add this one. Let's remove this one. To remove it, like you can just font and then just rub it off, and then you can just 1 second, and then you can just like things that got freezed, so I have to put 1 second. Yeah, it totally got freezed. I can't get out of it now. Don't know what the problem. 1 second. Let's just restart the app. And now let's again just get it. And now let's write hello guys. I think I'm gonna do this really fast. 1 second. So when I get back to it, I'll show you. Let me just do everything really fast. Yeah, so now I'm going back to where I want to be. I'm going to go to style, change it to, I'm going to keep it as it was. Let's get this. That looks cool. So that's, and the add image, the image you already have. Change theme. Square crop, I mean. That's how you can crop in all of these. I'm gonna keep it as how it is. Add text to photos. Add text to videos. You have to get another app for it. I'm gonna make a video on it. I'm gonna make a video on this app later. So, and this is the website actually. Settings. These are the other apps of the same company. I'll make a video on them later. These are the stack and all of that stuff. Present text, keyboard, format, settings, but I have to go settings. So, and now that's basically it. And then just press the save button right here, and then save as a ping or save as a PNG, save project, save in other apps, preview, save to files. You can airdrop it. I'm just gonna save the image, and that's basically so that's basically it for today. Subscribe to me, like the video, and bye.